What is monk fruit sugar and why do I use it in my baking for the people that I love that have diabetes? Baking with your loved ones that have diabetes is a tough one. It's a really tough one. But I have found something called monk fruit sugar that I really love. Now, it is extremely expensive. So if you have a bulk place around town, go there, because when it's pre-packaged, it's very, very expensive. So I do try to use it as little as possible, but if there's a special occasion, or like our little grandson has diabetes, and sometimes I just want him to have fun and just to have a good day and eat the cake that everybody else is eating. So I will use monk fruit sugar in that instance because it has absolutely zero it has zero carbs, and it will not raise insulin levels in diabetics. So the monk fruit sugar it looks like sugar because it is sugar. And the nice thing about monk fruit sugar is you can measure it cup for cup, which means in your baking, if you need a cup of sugar, you can use a cup of monk fruit sugar. It'll turn out beautifully. Now, what is monk fruit? It is a fruit that is native to China, very, very, very highly sweet. And they mix it with a bit of an alcohol property to enhance the flavor of it. So you can use it in your baking and you will never know that you used monk fruit. Nobody in the room will know, but the diabetics in your family can have some fun for a change instead of always saying, oh God, I can't have that. How many times does a diabetic say, I can't have that? What I love about monk fruit sugar, because I can do cup to cup and the measuring is so easy, but I also love that it has zero carbs. So as you know, with diabetics, you always have to worry about what kind of carbs they're taking in. The monk fruit sugar has zero carbs. It will not raise insulin levels. It also reduces your calorie intake because it doesn't have any carbohydrates in it. Now, there are some suggestions. Read up on it and see what you think. There are some suggestions that it's also anti-inflammatory in the body. So to me, it's one of the nicest things that I can do for my grandson by creating something that's not going to hurt his body, because there's so many zero sugar products out there that are really bad for your body, and I don't like to use them. So this is something that I feel better about, and that I can let him have some fun and forget about being diabetic for a while, right? Because it's a daily, hourly, minute by minute thing that they're always thinking about. Because the monk fruit sugar doesn't raise insulin levels, it's really beneficial for guarding against diabetic complications. You don't want insulin levels to be going up and down. It's very, very hard on the body, very hard on the heart. So that's another reason why I like it. I don't know, monk fruit sugar, I've been using it for a long time. Very expensive, as I said. Keep it for maybe some special occasions, but I never have my house without monk fruit sugar. Today I'm making blueberry muffins, and my little grandson is gonna have a blueberry muffin, right? You have a great day.